Okay, this is just a guide to assignment 2, or it's one or two examples of what you might want to do or you might want to follow in terms of my project here, which is a very basic project and a very simple setup. So the setup is as follows. I have the main character here, the main head is there, and then I have all of my blend shapes here as well, okay, which I'm going to work on eventually just to add in the various mouth shapes, face shapes, and so on. Now, I've also documented it here under layers so that all of the heads are visible, turnable, or you can turn them on, turn them off. The main head as well, turn it on, turn it off, and also the inside of the head, okay, eyes, teeth, and so on. I've just made it a layer so that I can turn that on and off. Now, to the main head, just for a moment, I'm just turning off the other head so you can see this. This is my setup at the moment for the rig that I've added to the head. Okay, a very simple rig that's set up. I've done it in side view here, so that in the side view, if I look at it in wireframe, you can see that the bone structure is there, just starting at the top of the head, going to the jaw, and then over here to the chin. And that's really it. And then once you start to use that joint, this is how this one works. We just have basic movement built into the jaw. And as you know from our practicals, we did that by skinning the joint system to the head, and then just using the painting of weights or paint weights tool to add some influencing elements to the skin, vertices to the joints. So for example, if I go to skin and paint weights, you'll see what the joint weighting system is, skin weighting system is to my setup. There's joint number 2, okay, with the weights attached to the skin, and there's joint number 1. Okay, which is very effective then whenever you want to use the rotation on the joint. For example, there it is again. Just rotate on it. Now it will obviously extend further than you want to, but you can just control that when it comes to your animation. Okay, so that's the joint system for the skin weights tool, and in the next video I'll look at the blend shapes.